This is continued from Part 1, Canada's mineral and energy power. Part 2, from minerals in the ground to power in the world. Asterisk, what Part 2 should focus on. Part 1, establish Canada's geography, scale, natural blessings, and global position. Now Part 2 should answer a natural question in the viewer's mind. So what exactly does Canada produce and why does the world depend on it? This makes Part 2 factual, powerful, eye-opening. Core themes of Part 2 1. Canada as a global mining power. In very simple language, explain that Canada is among the top 5 mining nations in the world. More than 60 minerals and metals are produced. Canadian companies operate mines not only in Canada but across the globe. Stress that mining is not just digging, it is science, engineering, logistics, finance, and governance combined. Two major minerals Canada produces with meaning, not just names. Explain why each mineral matters. Uranium powers nuclear plants around the world. Canada is one of the top producers, globally used for clean baseload electricity. Potash, essential for fertilizers, feeds billions of people. Canada is the world's largest exporter. Goal, financial stability, investment security. Canada among top global producers. Nickel, critical for stainless steel and EV batteries. Canada has some of the highest grade nickel ores. Copper, backbone of electricity and electronics. Used in homes, cars, grids, renewables, iron ore, steel production, infrastructure and construction. Zinc and lead, used in construction, batteries, protection coatings, diamonds. Canada is a top ethical diamond producer. Northern mines known for high quality coal used mainly for steel making, not just power, oil and gas. Briefly introduced here, detail later. Energy security, industrial backbone 3. Ores and grades, explained simply, explain in plain words. Ore means rock that contains usable metal. Grade means how rich that rock is. Higher grade means less waste, lower cost, less environmental damage. Canada is respected globally for quality ores, not just quantity. 4. Do we process metals in Canada or export raw? Be honest and balanced. Some metals are refined in Canada, some are exported due to cost, scale or market access. Explain why value addition matter. Explain why Canada is now moving toward processing battery metals domestically. This keeps the video credible and future looking. 5. Rare earth elements, the quiet strategic story. Introduce without going too deep yet. Explain what rare earths are, why they matter for phones, EVs, defense. Name key ones: neodymium, praseodymium, dysprosium, lanthanum. Explain clearly. Canada has deposits, processing is complex. China dominates refining. Canada and allies are now changing this. This creates curiosity for Part 3. Why the world trusts Canadian minerals. This is very important for pride. Because Canada offers political stability, rule of law, ethical mining, transparent regulation. That is why US, Europe, Japan depend on Canada. Ending of Part 2, powerful but calm. Close with a message like, Canada is not just a peaceful country. It is a quiet pillar of the global economy. The metals beneath Canadian soil support homes, hospitals, factories, and power plants across the world. Understanding this is not pride, it is awareness.